I'm up $6,400 on gold right now. I'm on my live account. So right here, if you zoom in, you can see I'm up 6,400. This is a live account, all right? And what I wanted to do is just talk about kind of the setup. It's a really simple setup.
Nah, we're getting ready to leave right now. We're still off of 24th, so yeah, we're headed up.
05. Appreciate you. All right.
That's crazy. Oh shit,
bro, that look like you, bro.
My nose is botched. But yeah, my shit already big.
It
made my shit bigger. Oh God, how do I see these down here?
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Nigga, that's you.
For sure.
That's you, bro.
For sure.
Jackie Robinson.
Oh, that's
Roy
even
Campanella played.
That's even better.
And that was in the Dodgers also.
That was the Dodgers also. So that's even better.
Bro, this rooftop is
So kitchen, little restaurant right here. And then at nighttime, bro, they got a live DJ, cocktails, everybody mingling, people watching, all types of shit, bro. So look at that. So you can see Camelback right here.
Pictures, my fucking eyes are like fucking.
Cause you was so geeked out. You was geeking,
I'm
bro.
just that's not somebody
You
that
was
you would
like,
just see.
I gotta get a pic.
Yeah,
I was
that's
like,
not
oh,
somebody that you see on the regular, bro.
I was like, this
Yeah.
thing is serious.
For sure. But this rooftop is crazy.
Shit, crazy, right? I'm up $6,400 on gold right now. I'm on my live account. So right here, if you zoom in, you can see I'm up 6,400. This is a live account, all right? And what I wanted to do is just talk about kind of the setup. It's a really simple setup, but I use fundamental news because obviously the world is going kind of crazy right now. But you can see, let me take this off. You can see, right, there's a little bit of consolidation around this area right here. And what I wanted to do is basically time the market when big news hit. So right here on marketedge.ai, this is the fundamental news AI tracker. It's going to feed in all the high impact news and basically give me a sentiment on what's happening. So US-Iran tensions escalating was a big trigger for me to look at this consolidation phase and make a decision to get into a buy, since the geopolitical world is kind of getting a little bit more tense. And so this was less of a technical play and more of a fundamental play. But if you look at this, right, we can see price came down, came up, came down, came up to this area, came all the way down, and then started consolidating in this range. So once it started consolidating right here on this lower time frame, so let me go ahead and zoom in on that 30-minute, right? This is what I saw, y'all. I saw consolidation and it holding above this major structure, this white support area, right? So as soon as more news came in, let's go ahead and zoom in on it, right? This is where I got into this buy. So I'm up, oh wait, where are you guys at? Oops, I'm up $6,400. I keep getting a live news update in my Discord, and yeah, man, $6,400 on a Friday is not bad. Let me zoom back out. That's crazy. What I want to do is I actually want to invite you guys to my Discord community. I feel like I've been getting a lot more views with just kind of like the vlogs and stuff. So if you are a serious trader, or maybe you've been trading for a couple of years or so and you're just looking for a community, I literally have a free Discord. It's absolutely free. I don't do any upsells, no nothing. It's just a community just to hang out. So if you're looking to trade gold, if you're looking to trade Forex, if you trade US 30, NASDAQ, hop in. It's pretty intimate right now, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it free forever. So just join it. Cool conversations, and I would love to meet you guys. So just wanted to do a quick trade breakdown. I'm actually going to close out this trade right now. You can see this perforated green line right here is my take profit, and gold is starting to come back down. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this trade. So I just lost about $1,000, but right here you can see I'm up 5,700. So let's go ahead and close it. and position is closed. So guys, if you guys are looking for a little bit of help as well, I do have a mentorship coaching program, okay? It's about 8 weeks, and if you're interested, go ahead and click on that link in the description below, and I'm gonna highlight it, coaching program, all right? But hey, thanks for watching. I kept this video short, this vlog short, because you know, sometimes I just have a regular life, and I just wanna just keep you guys updated with, you know, trade updates, and this was kind of like more of a relaxed breakdown, but I knew gold was going to jump up as soon as the Iran tension popped off. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching.